Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial on how to make a Discord bot. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your bot send a welcome message when someone joins your server. So the message will look something like this, and we'll be making a simple message using embeds. Now first, before we can start coding, we need to give our bot a few more permissions. So you can go to Google and type discord.com/developers, then click on your application, then go to your bot page, and you need to make sure that both these privileged gateway intents are on, so just enable them if they aren't. Okay, so now we can start coding. So first we create a new event, so we do client.on, and the name of this event is guild member add, exactly like that, and we'll call the member who joins guild member, and arrow for function open curly bracket. Now we need to define the channel on which the bot will send the welcome message. So we do const channel is equal to guild member dot guild dot channels dot cache dot find, and channel equals to channel dot name equals to, and now over here we have to write the name of the channel in which we want the message to be sent. So I already have a channel called welcome, so I'll be sending it in over there. Now I need to make sure that that the name is exactly how it is over here. So whether it's lowercase to uppercase, that matters. Now if the channel does not exist, so basically if there is no channel named welcome, then I'll just return so that the code doesn't break if there isn't. And another way to do this is by doing const channel equals to, and then this is pretty much the same, except instead of find you do get, and then instead of all this you can just put the channel ID in quotes. So like I can right click on the channel and then click on copy ID and then paste that over here. So that's another way to do the same thing, but this will only work for that single channel. However, this might work for all servers with a channel with the name welcome. So I prefer to use this method. And if you can't get the copy ID option over here, then you'll have to go to your settings and go to advanced and turn on developer mode. So then that should work. I'll just comment this out since I won't be using it. Now we can just create the embed to be sent. So we do const embed equals new discord dot message embed. Then we'll set the title as welcome. Then we'll set the description as, so I'll use backticks, it's the key next to 1, and welcome to the server, then $ open curly brackets, and then guild member. So this will tag the member that has just joined. Then I can do set color as in hex format 00F. Then I can just do dot set timestamp, which will mark the time at which the member joined the server. Then I can do channel dot send embed. So that's it for this code. Now we can just start the bot and test it. Node space dot. So the bot is online. Now I don't really have an alt account, so I'm just going to kick this bot and re-invite it. And there, as you can see, the bot has joined, and it sent a welcome message, so that worked. Okay, so that was it for this tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching.